Well, it looks like I've got 10 gallons of gasoline left. And I haven't been tracking how much I'm using to get online. I charge up a little borrowed Jackary Explorer 300. And I charge up my computer. And that way I can be online for a little while and upload videos. Now, that's kind of a nuts way to do things when solar power would fix the problem, but I can't figure out, well, I figured out which batteries I can buy to replace the ones up there, but there's a really high cost of them, and they're an old type of battery. It would be nice to buy lithium-ion batteries, I think that's what they're called, and get a whole new system, because technology has improved so much since I first went on solar power. And there we go. And so really I have to crowdfund or fund somehow an entire good system, and that means I have to find somebody I can trust to advise me and to install it. I'm an expert at living on solar power, but I'm not an expert in installing it. That'll get me by for a bit. I'm not sure when I can make another run into town. My van's dead, so when I'll be able to get gasoline again. So I may actually have to go offline for a while. Oh yeah. That poor gasoline, I think. In theory, if I have people here again, they will no longer be the kind that are free, and they will be contributing, and really solar power is not that expensive to install. I just have to find the people to do it and figure out what I need. And I don't base that on, see, the usual way people figure that is how much do you need, and then what kind of system do you need to meet those needs. I think that's exactly opposite of what makes sense. I think it's how little can you survive on, and how small of a system can you have to do that. And now with these battery power packs, you could actually install a smaller system and then plan to expand later, or basically make a system that is expandable. I thought I had that because I have a 15 watt inverter, but apparently my charge controller limits me to 500 watts of panels. So that sucks. But again, the technology is old enough that I just don't feel like fucking with it anymore. It would cost me about $1,500 is my guess to replace the current batteries that leak, because I was given bad advice about what batteries to get. And so I don't know. I'm a little frustrated and burned out, and it can all be fixed, but I gotta do something.